All right, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about putting a Knox box on your gate. That guy right there. It's for the fire department in your city to have the master switch to be able to open up your gate in case there's a fire. So I called Doorking, and this is the version 9100 model. I've shot some videos on how to fix some of this stuff in the past, but this one's got me a little confused. When Knoxbox sent me their switch, I had 3 pins. So when they turned the key, I had the outer pin, the center pin, and then another outer pin. And so basically the one that was the wires have to be on the outer pins, not the center one, because it wasn't working for me. The moment I put it on the outer one, I ran them through this tube, this conduit right here, right, all the way down in there, and then it works when the fire department comes out. What they told me to do is use switch 1 and 2. 1 and 2 gives you low voltage and a key switch, so naturally it works. The problem is I can no longer function in my remotes because it's holding it in place until somebody, I guess, releases it. And the only way to release it is by that switch, because it's being essentially having continuity, right? When you have continuity on these two, that's when it releases the functioning of the gate. So he turns the key, opens the gate, he puts the key back into normal mode, it closes the gate automatically, which is fine. The only problem is I cannot open up my gate anymore with my remote. So if anybody knows that answer, I'm actually on the phone right now waiting for them. I'm number 10 out of now I'm number 4 waiting in line before they close, so I hope I can get in there. But just wanted to reach out to you guys, let you know about this 9100, putting on a Knox box. It's the only thing that makes sense, what they told me. All this other stuff I'm not really sure. Well, it says open only is DK button control only, so I don't have one of those. So we'll see. Keep you guys posted.